How do I contact Kraken support? Intro. Hey there, you're trying to navigate a vast, mysterious ocean. You're on a ship, surrounded by the unknown. You encounter a storm, a mechanical failure, or perhaps a creature you've never seen before. Who do you turn to in such a situation? The captain, of course. In the world of cryptocurrency trading, Kraken is your captain. It's a platform that guides you through the turbulent seas of digital assets. But what happens when you encounter a storm? When things go wrong and you need help? That's where Kraken support comes in. Hook. Today, we're going to dive deep into the Kraken support system. We'll explore different ways to get in touch, the best times to contact them, and what to expect when you do. So, if you've ever found yourself lost at sea on the Kraken platform, this video is for you. Understanding Kraken support. Kraken support is your lifeline when you need assistance. They're there to help you with everything from account issues to trading questions. But before we dive into how to contact them, let's understand what you can expect from their support team. Prompt response. Kraken strives to provide prompt responses to your inquiries. While the exact response time may vary depending on the complexity of your issue, you can generally expect a timely reply. Knowledgeable staff. The Kraken support team is made up of knowledgeable individuals who are well-versed in the intricacies of the cryptocurrency market. They can provide you with accurate information and guidance. Comprehensive assistance. Whether you're having trouble making a deposit, understanding a trading strategy, or dealing with a technical issue, Kraken support is equipped to assist you. How to contact Kraken support. Now that you know what to expect, let's explore the different ways you can get in touch with Kraken support. Live chat. One of the most convenient methods is to use the live chat feature on the Kraken website. Simply log into your account and look for the chat icon. A support agent will be available to assist you in real time. Help Center. The Kraken Help Center is a valuable resource for finding answers to common questions. It contains articles, FAQs, and tutorials that can help you resolve issues on your own. If you can't find the information you need, you can submit a support ticket from the Help Center. Email. If you prefer to send a detailed email, you can contact Kraken support directly at email address. Be sure to include all relevant information, such as your account details, the nature of your issue, and any relevant screenshots. Social media. Kraken is active on various social media platforms, including Twitter. You can try reaching out to their support team through these channels, but keep in mind that response times may vary. Tips for effective communication. To ensure a smooth and efficient interaction with Kraken support, keep the following tips in mind. Be clear and concise. Clearly explain your issue and provide any necessary details. Avoid using jargon or technical terms that may confuse the support agent. Be patient. Remember that support agents deal with a high volume of inquiries. While they strive to respond promptly, there may be times when you need to wait a bit longer. Be respectful. Treat support agents with courtesy and respect. Avoid using abusive language or making unreasonable demands. When to contact Kraken support. While it's always helpful to have a go-to resource for assistance, it's important to know when to reach out to Kraken support. Here are some situations where you should definitely contact them. Account issues. If you're having trouble logging into your account, making deposits or withdrawals, or experiencing other account-related problems, don't hesitate to contact support. Trading questions. If you have questions about trading strategies, market analysis, or the Kraken platform itself, the support team can provide valuable insights. Technical difficulties. If you're encountering technical issues, such as platform errors or slow loading times, contacting support can help you resolve the problem. Security concerns. If you suspect your account has been compromised or you have security concerns, it's crucial to reach out to Kraken support immediately. Conclusion. In the vast ocean of cryptocurrency trading, Kraken support is your captain, guiding you through the stormy waters. By understanding how to contact them and following the tips we've discussed, you can ensure a smooth and enjoyable trading experience. So, the next time you find yourself lost at sea on the Kraken platform, don't panic. Remember, help is just a message away. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.